What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to update the software of your Apple Watch Series 9 or whatever Apple Watch you got to have the latest software and features on your device. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected with your iPhone. After that, you have to go to the Watch application on your iPhone. Just tap on this. After that, you have to go to the general section. Just tap on this. And now you have to tap on the software update part. It will start checking whether any software update is available for your Apple Watch or not, and as you can see, the WatchOS 10.3.1 is available for my Apple Watch Series 9. So now you just need to tap on this download and install button. After that, it will ask you to enter the passcode. Just do that. And now, as you can see, downloading of the software package is started on my iPhone. So downloading of the software package is completed, and now the preparation is going on for the installation. So as you can see, there is a message popped up on my display that installation is paused because we need to connect the charger with our Apple Watch to continue the process. So let's connect our charger with our Apple Watch. Tap on OK. And as you can see, now it is verifying the downloaded package on our iPhone 15 Pro here. Now the installation is started on our Apple Watch. So as you can see, the installation is completed, and now my Apple Watch is just getting restarted. So now my Series 9 Apple Watch is started and the installation of the software package is completed. So this is how you can update the software and OS of your Apple Watch. All you have to do is go to the Watch application on your iPhone, go to the General tab, go to the software update, and then it will start checking whether any software update is available for your Apple Watch or not, and then you can follow the same process. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.